Hello everyone. These are very strange times. The dreaded coronavirus that was made in China is now a worldwide pandemic, and people are being forced to stay inside their homes as much as they can to avoid spreading the deadly virus. Chances are that if you are young and healthy, then you are not at risk. But those who are older and have underlying health problems will most likely not be able to recover from this virus. So, if you have elderly relatives or friends that have health problems, such as asthma or diabetes, then it is best that you do not visit them while this virus proceeds. Now, while you're indoors, you might be stuck for what you want to do with your time. And luckily for you, I'm here to show you how you can spend your time and have a little bit of fun indoors. So, let's get started. The first thing you can do is make sure your house is clean and tidy. Now this may not seem like something you want to do, or something that even seems fun, but I say you may as well do it while you are cooped up in your abode. It keeps the body and brain productive. So, I am about to clean the stain off of this wall. I don't exactly know what this is, or where it came from, but I'm gonna clean it to get myself feeling productive. Okay, that's... Why is it not? Another thing you can do with your time is play board games with your family. There's nothing like a good old classic game of Monopoly with the fam. So, let's see how fun it is to spend time with the family. Okay, so does everyone know the rules? I don't need this right now. We all need this. In a dire time like this, we need to keep our minds productive and look behind you. Why was behind? If you have an instrument of some kind, then you'll love this third step, which is to learn how to play that instrument and practice with it, instead of letting it collect dust in your basement or attic or wherever you keep it. So, I have a electric guitar thing that I've had for a while now. I don't know where I got it from. Where did I get it? But I'm going to try and learn how to play it by watching a tutorial on YouTube.
We're gonna need a cable.
Oh, I need a cable. Okay, hold on. This might do. Will this do? I think it will be fine plugged in there.
All right, you're not gonna get anywhere with an electric or an acoustic guitar if the guitar is not in tune. And it's gonna tell you, it's gonna show a letter, and then it's gonna show you how sharp or flat or in tune you are.
Ouch! It just electrocuted me. What the heck? There must be something wrong with the wire. Hold on. What else can you do in quarantine, you may be asking? Well, I'm glad you asked, because I have no idea. But if you have any ideas what to do in quarantine, then please let me know in the comments below. That's the end of this video. If you liked it, then please leave a like to show that you liked it. Stay safe and have a good day. Joe! You alright, man? Hey, I think your dad's dead.